A'uz billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most gracious, the most merciful. This is Engineer Faisal Ijaz, and today I am presenting a lecture on the manufacturing process of LPG, which is liquid petroleum gas. Also, I want to introduce my YouTube channel of entitled Chemical Engineering Edge Tech. Also, I have discussed different chemical engineering topics in my channel, and the title of these topics you are watching at background pages. So if you will subscribe my channel, then you will get my latest videos. In this video, I am presenting a lecture on manufacturing of LPG, which is liquid petroleum gas. So there are two sources available to manufacture LPG. The first one is extraction of LPG from natural gas, and the second one is from refining of crude oil. LPG manufacturing from natural gas, you can consult my previous video of title natural gas processing, and now we discuss second method of LPG production, which is from refining of crude oil. So according to LPG from refining crude oil, for refining crude oil, following processes are used like distillation, the second one is cracking, the third one is reforming, and the fourth one is hydrocracking. During these processes, a mixture of gases obtained, and propane and butane are main constituent of gas mixture. So separation of propane and butane take place, and we get LPG, which is liquid petroleum gas. Next method is LPG during distillation process. So during a crude oil refining, different constituents are separated. So overhead product of that is unsterilized gasoline, and that gasoline passed through condenser where it cool and passed through stabilizer. In stabilizer, uncondensed gas go to top and separated and convert into LPG, which is liquid petroleum gas. The next process is LPG from cracking, and during crude oil refining we get light, middle and heavy oil. So all these pass through cracking process, and we get cracked gasoline, which mixed with the overhead product uncondensed of distillation column. Then the mixture of both compressed, cooled, and then pass through absorber. So rich gasoline obtained from absorber and pass through stripper. After that, gasoline pass through butanizer. So LPG separate from top of the column. That LPG pass through further processes to get better quality LPG. At the end, I am providing process flow diagrams of two methods, and from these two methods we produce LPG, which is liquid petroleum gas. And the first method is recovery of LPG from cracking of light and heavy oils, and according to second diagram, recovery of LPG from the distillation of crude oil. So you can match all the data with these diagram for your better understanding, and thanks to join us.